Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into the video. I'm adding the concealer to my eyelid, and this helps my eyeshadow last longer, and I'm just putting it on evenly all over wherever I'm going to place the eyeshadow. And this way is actually cheaper and your eyeshadow lasts long. So I'm adding a fuchsia pink to my eyes, and I'm just going to add it to towards the middle of my eye, and then I'm going to add like a navy blue eyeshadow because my dress is like fuchsia, white, and blue, like a navy blue. So I'm adding this, and here goes a scripture because this day that I was doing my makeup was Resurrection Sunday. So if you all can just read up on that scripture, it would definitely give you a little bit more understanding as well. And just blending everything in. And I'm just adding my L'Oreal C7 foundation, which I absolutely love, and it matches my complexion perfectly. And I'm just going to blend this out. I've already added the setting powder, the Benign, but True Match L'Oreal C7 is my color. And I'm just making sure I put it on my chin, my forehead, and blending everything out. Don't do it too rough, but just enough, you know, to get the foundation to go on your face evenly. And then I'm going to add my LA Girl Pro Concealer under the eyes as well as the nose, the forehead, chin. This is just to give a pop in that T-zone area. I do deal with a little bit of darkness under my eyes, so this will help give a pop, and it makes you look more alive. So I do just like to add a little bit of brightness in that T-zone area with the face. So I'm just blending everything in. Again, you don't want to do this too hard. So now I am going to use my eyeliner. You can do Wet n Wild or e.l.f. They work really well. Again, you don't have to break the bank. They work just as good as the other eyeliners. And I'm just doing this just to, you know, start to give the pop on the color that I put on my eyelid. So this is my Maybelline mascara. I am also doing the lashes, but I just want to get that powder off of my lashes. And of course, I do not use eyeliner under my eye, on the under eyelashes. Right now I am doing the Wet n Wild blush, just to give that, you know, pop with the foundation. I'm just blending it in. Gives a nice pink. And we were actually coming together, like I said, for a dinner. So I was very excited with my family. And right now I'm doing the liner for the magnetic lashes. I've already did a tutorial on this. So these lashes work really good. I actually wore these lashes when I went on my Florida trip to Disney, and they stayed on really well. Towards the end of the night they did start to come off, but that's to be expected with me being in the heat all of that time. But I really love these lashes. Of course, the hot sun, I was sweating, but they actually held up pretty good. I thought I looked cute as well when I went on the Disney trip. But yeah, so I'm putting these magnetic lashes on. Making sure they're pushed in and secure. And I'm almost almost done. This video literally took me about 10 to 15 minutes to make because I was the one providing I think the ham, turkey ham. So I had to get going. So I'm almost done. And I'm just adding a little bit of like the navy blue under my, you know, underline lashes. And I'm just blending it out just to give a nice smoky look. And then I'm just going to touch it up like any extra residue powder from the eyeshadow in the eyes. And guys, if you hear some children in the background, please forgive me because I have children. So, but yes, I'm almost done. I'm showing you my dress as well. I got this from Fashion Nova. It fitted very cute. Of course, I have the butterfly lock crochet hair in. And I'm using the fuchsia lipstick to pop with my eyeshadow. And I'm almost done. So, hope you guys like the finished result. This was something very quick. I have a full face. Like I said, this was done in no time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be blessed, guys. Love you. And have a good day.